Hey business owners! Tired of dealing with annoying oil mist in your workshops? Look no further, our oil mist purifiers are flying off the shelves. And for good reason. They're tough, efficient, and install in a breeze, instantly cutting down oil residue, improving air quality, and keeping your space compliant. Mechanics, manufacturers, everyone's raving stocks are vanishing fast. Don't miss out. Grab yours now and breathe easier. Your team and your machines will thank you. Act quick, these won't last.